of basic arithmetic. Like I told you, that if you don't know mathematics, you don't know, like you are not good at mathematics, this video covers you. Like I told you in episode 1, I introduced to you minus times minus, minus times plus, plus times minus, plus times plus, and the likes. Then I also introduced to you why some numbers carry minus, some number carries plus. But today, like I told you, in this mathematics for non-mathematicians, mathematics made easy too, I'm going to show to you the minus divided by minus, plus divided by minus, even in examples, and how to apply them. So let's go. I told you that we have minus times minus, minus divided by minus to give you plus. Then we have plus divided by minus to give you minus. Then we have minus divided by plus to give you minus as well. Then plus divided by plus to give you plus. In this form, I want to believe, as for you to be a good mathematician, you have to put it in your brain. You cram it, like you put it there. Let it be sink. Learn this thing by heart. That is one of the most important things. Let me give you a break and do that. Minus divided by minus, plus divided by minus, minus divided by plus, plus divided by plus. Now let's apply it. By the time I say minus 2 divided, minus 6 divided by minus 3, what will be our answer? This division sign you see here, is still the same thing as this one, over. So we have minus 6 over minus 3. And do not forget, the rule says minus divided by minus to give you plus. So it will not be minus cancel minus. That one will give you plus. 3 here 1, 3 in 6 will be 2. So the answer is plus 2. The same way you can apply this to the plus 6 divided by minus 3, which is the same thing as plus 6 over minus 6. Minus 3 rather. So by the time we say plus divided by minus, don't forget this minus 3 here 1, 3 in 6, 2. That is minus 2. That is how we come about our minus 2. Then we go over again to the minus section again. I'm only using 3 and 6 so that we use bigger numbers. But this one applies to also all numbers at the same time. So we have, again, we have minus 6 divided by plus 3. You see, minus 6 divided by plus 3. You are going to see we have minus cancel my plus. That is not divided by plus. That is minus. Then 3 here 1, 3 here 2. The answer will be what? Minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 2. So the same way we are going to have the same way we have here. The same way we have minus 6. Plus 6 divided by plus 3 to give you plus 6 divided by plus 3. Which will give you plus divided by plus is plus, 6 divided by 3 is 2. That is plus 2. This is what is expedient of you to know as a mathematician. It's expedient of what that it is so compulsory for you to know it as a mathematician. However, for you to capture some things, like I told you, you have to put this thing in your brain. Minus divided by minus, plus divided by minus, minus divided by plus, plus divided by plus. It's still the same thing as minus times minus is the same answer. Plus times minus is the same answer. Minus times plus is still the same answer. Then plus times plus as well is still the same answer. It's still the same answer. But note this one very importantly, that you have to put these things in your brain. Yes, once you can put this one in your brain, and they ask you that what is minus divided by minus equal to plus, it's still the same thing as minus times minus to give you plus. It's still the same thing as plus divided by minus to give you. These ones, they are more or less like somebody that is laying foundation. Once you have the foundational part of this mathematics as minus times minus, plus times minus, and you can apply them, then you are good to go. That is to start with as well. You are good to go. and you should be able to know. One thing that is very important before I close this session today, one thing that is very important is you as a non-mathematician should know one thing. And what is that thing that you have to know? That when exactly do you know that this number is a plus? When do you know that this number is a minus? How do you know? How do you know? That is how to know a positive or negative numbers, or may I call it figures. How to know? Ordinarily, if you have a number to be 6, the number standing here is 6. But may I tell you that there is a number, there is a sign at the back of this 6, which is plus. Though it may not be visible to you. But to the people that are not blind mathematically, will be able to know that there is a plus at the back of this 6. That is that. Then, again here, you are going to see maybe you have 7, you have 8, you have 9, you have 100, you have 1000. Any number standing alone like this carry something at the back, like at the front of you, at the front of every number there is something that is carried, and the number is always plus, plus, plus. If it is minus, it's going to be indicated. Like I told you, minus is more or less like a bastard child. Wherever you find it, it's going to show up. So minus, I cannot just say 2 and you say this is minus 2. It can never be minus 2. It can never be minus 2. It is going to be what? Plus 2. If it is minus 2, it will show up minus 2. That is what you as a person, you need to know. Next on the video, we are going to talk about addition and subtraction numbers. However, my name is Oki Omoge. I am from Butaku, Ojagilero. As you can see on the video there, my YouTube channel where I'm going to drop the video. Also my Facebook where I'm going to drop the video. I want you to keep liking the page, comment, and if there's any question you want to ask, the comment section is there. Tell me, and I'm going to reach out to you. Thank you. God bless you.